Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to my blog, and this is DJ Alvin. And today we are inviting here at Aberdeen Hotel for the Estilo Modelo Philippines Fashion Awards. At ilan sa mga models ng Di Mana Stylist Philippines ay makakapanayam natin, and ipapakilala ko sa inyo isa-isa ang mga modelo ng Di Mana Stylist Philippines. And before that, I would like to thank, of course, to Mami Annabel Balala, the owner and founder of the Mana Stylist Philippines. Don't forget to follow and like and share my Facebook page, DJ Alvin. Ayan. So, see you later, everyone. Isa ulit sa mga nakasama natin today. Yes, good morning po. And can you please tell me something about yourself?
I am Soy Chuda. I am 11 years old. I live in Bacoor, Cavite, and my height is 4'9", and my favorite color is red because red always symbolizes desire, passion, and aggression. And also, when I started modeling, I was 3 years old.
Alright, natatandaan ko at alam kong sumali ka sa pageant, which is yung Kids and Teens Global Pageant Regional Competitions. Ano-ano yung mga awards na tanggap mo during that pageant?
My awards is Best in Photogenic, Best in Catwalk, Best in Fashionista, and Best in Long Gown, and Best in Interview, and Best in Tights.
Wow, alright. So ngayong araw naman na to, Miss Chuda, tama? Paano mo naman pinaghandaan yung araw na to para sa Estilo Modelo Philippines Fashion Awards?
Well, my preparations are mentally, emotionally, and as physical preparations. And also, I was confident because all people are supporting me, and I woke up at 5 a.m. to eat my breakfast and do my makeup.
Okay, thank you.